Hey guys, with my clients, Jill and Don and their beautiful son, and today we're due a testimonial because they want to speak to the overall experience with our company, with AOCleaning Hardwood Restoration, because we did their hardwood floors, and guys, they're just blown away. And they want to speak to it, so without further ado, guys, take it away.
I just want to thank Brian and his crew. They did a great job. Everything really went off without a hitch. The crew came in ahead of time, kind of told us what to expect. We were able to get everything out of their way. They kind of really talked us through the process, kept us informed pretty much daily on how things were going, if there was going to be any sort of holdups or anything. Really everything went off, really without a hitch. The floors turned out phenomenal. We did sneak in a couple, not in, but peek through the garage or the door a couple times and kind of watched, and really a neat process, kind of watching him on the different Facebook posts, but really did a great job.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Coming home to a brand new house.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. All right, guys, we appreciate that feedback. Lets other clients know what job they can expect from us. And as always, enjoy your beautiful hardwood floors, and congratulations.
All right, thanks, Ryan.